7,000 taps. So think, whoa, sorry. I don't want to start coughing. I think it's a little bit of like an allergy thing that I've been like having a little bit, guys. The allergies the last couple of days, it's just like, oh my gosh, they're so annoying. Anyways, everybody, yeah. Hi, Scorpio Dow. Thank you with the heartbeat today. Good morning. So everybody, what was I gonna say? Oh my gosh, so sorry about like, yeah, I think it's like a little bit of like an allergy thing going on a little bit, which is like kind of annoying, but it's okay. So anyways, I got the SpongeBob